Hi wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I am bringing you a review of an adorable Envy mono top lace front wig called Delaney, and the color on Delaney is one of my personal favorites. This one's called Toasted Sesame. Let's talk about the color for a second. So Toasted Sesame is a beautiful, beautiful, just absolutely gorgeous, rooted light brown color with medium brown as well. So what you'll find is there's actually medium brown down here at the nape and in the bottommost layers of the hair, as well as at the root. And then the base color is a very beautiful sort of caramelly golden light brown. Now, the product photos on Delaney make it kind of hard to figure out what the front of her looks like, because in the model picture she's kind of doing one of these numbers, you know, with her head cocked. So it's hard to see how she just sort of lays. I think this one is super cute. Let me push the bangs down so you can see. The bang's kind of long, you might have to get it trimmed, or you can just sweep it off to the side like I did. It looks really cute that way. Like in some of their cuts, the backs of their wigs can sometimes be a little stiff, like on Angie. It can be kind of stiff when you first get her home until you wash her the first time. Delaney doesn't have that problem. She feels really beautiful right away. The hair feels very silky. It only looks shiny right now because I've got lights shining directly on it. There's a little bit of shine going on, but it is definitely not fakey shiny looking at all. It looks beautiful, looks very, very natural. She can definitely be fluffed up a little bit. And then you can see Delaney's potential, because Delaney is super duper heavily layered. Get a little bit of Envy's Beauty Balm on your fingers and then do this with Delaney and she will stay like that. And you'll have an adorable, beautiful mono top lace front shag. The only reason why she looks so flat right out of the box is because she has a monofilament top. Isn't that cute? And you can get quite a bit of volume out of Delaney too, especially if you use a little bit of synthetic safe styling product, because Alan Eaton gives you plenty of hair up here in this mono top. Like I basically have to go hunting for the monofilament, which is something I actually find to be sort of a negative in a wig, because if I pay a lot of money for a mono top, I want to see it, you know? But at the same time, it's almost necessary in a wig like Delaney to have that much hair on top, because you don't want it to be completely flat. Because a flat shag is a sad shag, you know? Shags want to be big, bouncy, poofy. They want to have, you know, volume and a little bit of va-va-boom. And they want to be a little messy too. So let me go ahead and turn around now to show you what Delaney looks like on all sides, especially now that I've messed her up a little bit for you. Okay, now I'm going to take Delaney off so I can show you the cap construction. So as I mentioned, Delaney has a 100% hand-tied lace front and a monofilament top. There's also some very nice soft felt lining the perimeter of the monofilament features, which is very nice. You get that little seam in between the lace front and the mono top. That's completely normal. Every single wig you see that's got a mono top and a lace front will have that kind of seam there. You also have open wefted back and sides. You also have open ear tabs, which are really nice if you want to wear glasses with it. You can just kind of slip them in between the wefts. You have stays here in the back that you can pull. So elastic here on the sides, closes just kind of like a bra strap. But, you know, it'd be nice if they had the Velcro adjusters. You have a very nice extended nape here, again open. I find this wig very, very, very comfortable on. She's pretty stretchy here at the perimeter. She's also kind of stretchy in the back. especially here towards the sides here. Look at that. That's pretty good, especially for a mono wig. Let me show you the top of Delaney up close so you can see the knotting on the mono filament. It's very well done. Very thick, like I said. The knots themselves are very nice and small on this Delaney. Very, very nice and small. And if you hold it down a little bit, you can see the mono a little bit better. Like kind of flipping her back hair a little bit. She looks nice like that. I think this wig's darling. It's super, super cute, easy to wear, and it feels nice on. It is a little bit on the tight side, I will say that. I find Delaney to be a little tight on me, but that's because I have a large head. You know, my circumference is 23.5 inches. So if you have an average cap size, which is about, you know, 80 to 90% of women, that's why they call it average, you know, if you are an average cap size, you will find that this one fits very well. It will probably fit you like a glove, and it will probably be very, very comfortable on, especially if you put a wig cap underneath it like I do. So there you have it. This again has been the Delaney wig by Envy in the color Toasted Sesame. Oh, and before I get ahead of myself, let me tell you this, the measurements and stuff. The front is 4.75 inches. The crown down is 5.5. The sides are 5.75, and the nape is very short. It's 2.5. This one only weighs 2.5 ounces, so very, very lightweight. So until next time, have a great night. Bye-bye.